Right now, the cleanup is continuing from this weekend's snowstorm. There's some health risks, though, you should be aware of if you're shoveling a certain kind of snow, especially if you're older. Fox 55's Caleb Saylor live in Fort Wayne tonight to tell us more about what to look out for when clearing that snow. Caleb.
Yeah, the wet, heavy snow that we saw over the weekend was perfect for snowball fights and making snowmen, but unfortunately, not so perfect for shoveling and clearing your driveways. And while for some people who haven't kept up a certain level of activity over the past several months, getting out and shoveling that snow that we saw this weekend can cause some health risks.
It's always a struggle to deal with it.
It looks like a winter wonderland, but dealing with over half a foot of snow can be a pain in the back for some. Manny Berger takes care of his elderly mother. He can't imagine her trying to handle her daily tasks and deal with the snow.
Yeah, I live here full time with my elderly mother, take care of her full time and work. So I got to keep it clear for the food deliveries and health care.
For those who are elderly or haven't kept up with physical activity due to staying home during the pandemic, trying to shovel the snow may have come as quite the shock. Cardiologist Mark O'Shaughnessy with Parkview says those who try to push through some sort of pain just to finish shoveling are putting themselves at risk.
It's important that they realize they're doing a tremendous amount of work. They're trying to keep themselves warm. They need to listen to their body. If they're having symptoms, heart symptoms of any kind, they need to back off and let it rest and let somebody else do the shoveling.
O'Shaughnessy says if you're shoveling and you feel a tightness in your chest, radiating pain to your left arm and neck area, you feel short of breath and have an upset stomach, you may be having heart problems and seek immediate medical attention if it doesn't go away. The key is to start out slow, lift with your legs, and take breaks when needed.
When we start doing vigorous activity like this, we've got to just be more measured in our approach and make sure that we're not going to go out and try to harm ourselves.
And to help keep others safe and healthy, Berger says watch out for your neighbors.
You got to help the elderly and help the young ones.
Now, over the past several days in the lead up to the snow that we saw this weekend, you heard us say several times, heart attack snow. Now, O'Shaughnessy says that that's a bit of a misnomer, that phrase is, because there's not actually a correlation between increased snow amounts, heavy snow amounts, and an increase in heart attacks. However, it is a good reminder that when we see wet, heavy snow amounts, it's probably going to come with some health risks and some concerns. So it's a good reminder to take care of yourself when you're out in the snow and cold. Reporting live in Fort Wayne, Caleb Saylor, Fox 55 News.